Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Goober back with the first series in our DRZ build. So I got my buddy Matt here to make sure I don't do anything stupid. We got his cool tools. So this is the 3.7 gas tank by Acerbics, and that stock gas tank for the DRZ is like 1.8 gallons. So I'm always having to fill up when we go on rides. It's super annoying. So this is gonna be a cool. Oh yeah, it's got a great mic, dude. It's not bad. I took the shield off on the back, so it's decent. So we're gonna take this whole thing apart and get rolling for you guys. Enjoy.
Perfect.
So we tried our best to follow the directions on here, and they're decent, and we think we got it. But if something goes wrong, we'll just screw with it again. But we'll see.
Yeah, I'll try it. But like,
see what happens.
I feel like if this part like starts leaking, just like get some silicone and just like put it around.
Yeah.
Or just take it off and like, because there's like a whole bare metal part that goes to plastic, and just put some shit on there.
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
Like,
just those two screws holding it in.
Yeah.
Hey, if it works, it works.
I mean, yeah, but I don't know. Just, like, if you, like, I'm pretty sure this will.
Yeah. Alright. Go, Matt, and swiggle it down. Swiggle it down. Okay, let's just. Maybe they'll make this one's like super sealed. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's again spun around a little bit, and it's gonna come right off. There we go. Pinch. Yeah, pinch. There we go. Yeah. Right. Look at that. Look what we caught.
All right, get the.
Yeah. All right. Cool. That's all that came out.
1 sec.
We're set, dude. And then, yeah, see what settings work with what. Alright, yeah. So we're doing this because there's a bunch of little plastic bits that come with the tank that are just floating around in there. And you can if you just scrape your finger in there, you'll see that there's some crap we're just gonna wash out. Yeah, this is from the side. Yeah, this is Beautiful. Wow. Wonder if you can it's gone. It's like a freaking tapeworm. Yeah, little bag. Nip that shit.
The nipple too big.
Well, we
zip
can.
tie?
Yeah, I'll grab a zip tie. All right. Shakes off your done. I mean, I'm not riding it all right now, so let's buy a new kit. That's a great plan, man. Cool. Let's bolt this bad boy back on. Cool. Hell yeah, dude. Say goodbye to that freaking thing.
So we did.
2014? Yeah, right out of high school. I never had a car. So, yeah, man. That's cool. Really good to see that. Oh, this is my wife's Yamaha MT-03 2020. Oh yeah. I'm looking at it. Let's find out. I mean, if there's any like loose metal on there, like shavings, you think it's gonna be a problem? So I've started my bike. I've got the new Acerbics gas cap on here as well. Everything seems to be good. I don't see any leaking down here on the side. Everything seems to be holding up, so we're going to take it for a ride and see what happens. Alright, so let's look. Any leaks? Looks good. This is as far as these little clamps would go over, because I got new 1/4-inch tubing here that's going from the fuel tank to the carb. What else here? That's about it. It's running well. I like the tank. What I would change though is something for the sides, because it feels like really plasticky and not grippy at all. The other tank was better about that, just because it was steel. Even though steel isn't super grippy, but like I felt more snug, probably just because it was smaller. But I'd probably get some tank pads here on the side. Definitely do that for sure. But it's looking good. I like how it turned out. So next, I want to change those radiator guards. Man, I want to do the handguards, whole new handlebars. Shoot, bro, there's a lot that I want to do to this thing. But hey, thanks for checking out this video. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions. I can just directly answer anything that I didn't really cover in the video. I mean, we tried our best there, but you can always ask me anything. You can even DM me over there on Instagram. You'll see the link down below. All right, everybody, enjoy the rest of this series, and that's me signing off. See ya. Oh, and one more thing. So this is me filling up this new gas tank. So it kind of looks like that, right? So kind of right there at the top. Not really sure where to stop, I guess, until I can't really pour, squirt gas in this thing anymore. But we're looking at about 3.02 gallons that I put in. That's not the total tank right here. That's just, I had some other gas, some other tank that I used so I could get here in the gas station. So I went ahead and poured that in. But yeah, let me know how high I should fill this thing up. I mean, I know I shouldn't go to the very, very, very top, but enough to have room for the cap, because look at this little spot. So I'm gonna stop right about there. That should be enough. All right, guys, peace.